Right guys, if you've been following my channel for a little while now, you will know I don't really like to keep my cars stock. So if you're a bit of a car purist, especially for a Volvo 340, you may want to click on this video because as you've seen in the title, I am going to be welding the rear differential on my Volvo. Saying goodbye to one wheel peels and hello to some sick burnouts and also that really annoying scrubbing noise you get when you do tight corners, but we can all live with that. It's not a daily car. So before we get into the video, I just wanted to say over 95% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed. So if you could click that subscribe button, smash the bell icon, it would really help out a lot, really appreciate it. I'm really trying to hit 300 subscribers. I'm literally like 7 away probably by the time this video goes out, so smash the subscribe button. Also, I've made a new Instagram account. I'll put that down in one of the bottom corners. Also, link in description. So if you're on Instagram, want to know what I'm going to be doing behind the scenes, know what I'm doing before videos go up, go ahead, give that a follow. I'll try to post on it regularly. But yeah, on with the video. I've put in the title, it's going to be easy, and that's because hopefully it is going to be very easy. We're not actually taking the differential out of the car. You'll see once we get down. Volvo 340, being the very special people that they are, have decided better weight distribution. We're going to mount the gearbox at the back, which means it's connected to the diff. So I've been doing some reading online, and apparently it's really not worth the hassle to take the gearbox out with the diff. So we are going to have a go just removing the back plate, draining the oil and welding it attached to the car. So if that works out, it should be a very easy install indeed. I'll just quickly take you under the car, show you the plan, and then I will get to doing it. Right, okay, so back of the car is jacked up. Let's take a look and see what we're dealing with. Differential is just here. Let me grab a torch. Right then, so diff is just installed right up here. Hopefully, from the plan I described earlier, we can literally just take this back plate off. I think it's held in by like, I want to say like 10 bolts. Really annoying by this fucking bar, but I'm sure we can get to them. It's not too much in the way, but it's not ideal. So I'm going to get to taking that back plate cover off, get something to catch all the oil, and update you then. Right, I'm just going to remove this back plate now. Remember to keep the top bolt on because you don't want it to fall off and fly everywhere. So top one on. In a minute we should start to see oil dripping out. So I'm going to put this here ready. First bolt, about 12 more to go.
Is that it then?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Keeps you off the streets, doesn't it?
Little does he know, I'm welding the diff. Okay, first little bit just stripped out, looking like fucking jelly. So, it's close. Oh, that's nasty. Whoa, that looks like treacle. Fucking stinks. Okay, so cover's off, just down there. Got a load of brake cleaner, basically going to clean the cover up. Leave that to drip for a little bit, then clean the fuck out of the diff. Really need to make sure that this centre bit just down in here is clean. Let me get a torch. Yeah, that centre gear just there, that needs to be real clean. So I'm going to take this in and start cleaning it up with brake cleaner. Take the gasket off as well. As you can see, after almost a full can of brake cleaner, the diff is looking pretty clean enough to weld. Those centre gears, most of the brake cleaners evaporated off of them now, so we're literally going to make 8 spot welds in total, just joining each 4 corners of these like spider gears, and then we're going to flip it by turning the wheels and then do the other 4 corners on the other side. So I'm going to bring the welder out here and we'll make a start. I chuck some rag around it as well to try and avoid splatter going everywhere, because it is gasless MIG. Yes, I'm aware I'm not wearing the mask, but it's not all about the mask. Ah! Fuck my face! What else is going on? Right then, Diff is all welded up. In the end, we didn't go for plates, so fingers crossed it doesn't break. But obviously, this isn't running a lot of power, so I really doubt it. I'll quickly show you what we've done. It's literally just 8 spot welds where all the gears join, as I was showing you earlier. Okay, here's one side, basically just, as you can see there, plastered with weld, plastered the top with weld, other side, 4 corners, all weld. And obviously now, when this wheel spins, that wheel spins. So, in theory, the diff is welded. So now we just got to chuck the cover back on, fill it with oil, and test it out. Holy shit, you didn't go light on the paste.
No, you don't want this leaking, Harry. Right, give me a bolt or 2.
There's a rusty one for you. Right, so, I don't know how long that time lapse has been going for now. I don't know how much of it has been recorded, but
it's turned off.
It's dark outside now, but Diff is welded up on all 8 corners of the gears. RTV has been applied.
Shitloads of it.
Shitloads, so hopefully it doesn't leak, and the bolts have been tightened. We're just going to fill it with oil, start the car up while it's still on stands, listen for any dodgy grinding noises, and then if not, we'll drop it and give it a little test. I couldn't find any pumps, bottle pumps, on Halfords or Euros, so I've made this. It's a, oh, it's leaking. It's a fuel hose in some diff fluid. So I'm going to tip that up into the car. I'm going to need to make a little hole in the bottle to allow air in, otherwise it won't flow out. Yeah, so RTV is dry. What we're going to do is just start up in the air, see if the wheels turn at the same rate, obviously, and listen for any. Right, so camera did die on me last night, but as I was saying, diff is welded, filled with fluid, all bolted up, no leaks from what I can see. And from the little test, we did run it up when it was on jack stands, no dodgy noises, so that's all good. And it is welded. It works. It's had some abuse thrown at it. We'll start it up. I'll take you around this little 90-degree bend for you. You can hear the definitive wheel scrub that comes along with every welded diff. Gotta live with it, gotta love it. I must say, this is definitely my favourite mod I've done to this thing. It totally changes the dynamics of it, driving characteristics, obviously. It's very fun, even though it's not got a lot of power, and it's free, essentially. I only had to buy oil and a couple things like that, but it's a very cheap mod. So if you can live with it, I would highly recommend it if you have rear wheel drive.
I couldn't live with it.
If you've got a project car like this, do it. If you can't buy an LSD, which you can't for these.
I can.
You can buy like a prototype one, but they're like 700 quid. So.
Harry made a bad choice. He has the money to buy it, he just didn't.
I'm not spending 700. Do you know how much I paid you for this car?
Yeah.
800.
Yeah.
I'm not buying a 700
Oh, hang on.
LSD. Also, if you hear a little bit of banging, the exhaust is loose. Anyway, we'll start her up. Take a listen.
Honest, it's not welded.
Yeah, come follow the car around this corner.
You won't rip a Bernie.
No, I won't.
Just a little one.
My neighbours don't like me.
Just a little one.
My neighbours don't like
Just a little one. And he stalled it. Congratulations. I wasn't part of this. His neighbours aren't going to love him anymore. Look at the old bloke judging him on the bike.
So yeah, 100% welded. Little bit suspect, but
No, it wasn't the Volvo.
yeah, this old banger can't do shit like that. Right, so as usual, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon. Over 95% of you that watch these videos are not subscribed. Again, new Instagram account, if you want to drop a follow, at HGVHarry, would appreciate that. Trying to upload frequently. If you want some behind the scenes stuff, know what future videos are going to be before they come out. So yeah, hit the bell icon for notifications, and I will see you in the next video, which will be on, little teaser, this lovely MX-5 Mark 1 over here. So see you in that one.